This instruction is only to show the proper installation steps for the clamp ring windows. The process may require 2 to 3 people, 1 to 2 on the outside and 1 on the inside of the vehicle. Dry fitting window prior to installation and help familiarize yourself with placement. Here are tools required for installation. First, position the window with the glass pane facing downwards. Peel off the blue protective film. Remove the 2 pre-installed screws to detach the interior frame. Do not reuse screws with stripped heads. Extra screws are provided for replacement. Set the interior frame aside. Prior to installation, check the window openings and look for any obstructions on the exterior surface. The tolerance for the rough opening is plus and minus 1/8. The opening must be square, level, and plumb. Clean the sealant area of the clamp ring window and vehicle side wall with neutral degreasing detergent or 70% isopropyl alcohol and lint-free rag or paper towel. Be sure to change the rag frequently. Wait 5 minutes to ensure the surface is fully dry. Ensure the channel on the window frame is free of debris and the sealant area is clean and dry. Apply a continuous 5/16 inch diameter bead of non-curing sealant to the sealant area of the window frame. Ensure no gaps exist that could allow for potential water leakage. Large windows are heavy. Ensure sufficient personnel are available to safely lift and position the window into the wall cutout. The use of suction cups is highly recommended. 3/16 thick spacer or shims will be used to center the window. Once the window is centered, firmly push the window against the outside wall of the vehicle to ensure even distribution of the non-curing sealant for a watertight seal. While 1 or 2 people hold the window in place on the outside, a second person aligns the interior frame on the inside of the vehicle and pushes it into position. Begin fastening the trim ring with the provided screws, starting with the 4 corners first. Make sure the part of the groove the screws get inserted into is visible through the interior frame holes along the perimeter. Install 8 number 6 screws following the figure for the sequence order. Partially tighten these screws. Driving the screws in all the way can cause a strip out or broken screw head. After the 8 screws are partially installed, follow the sequence order again to completely tighten the screws. Install and completely tighten the screws in the remaining holes. Work your way all around the perimeter, gradually tightening each screw as you go. This will slowly pull the trim ring and window together. Note: use only the screws provided with the window, as longer screws could damage the window frame and shorter screws may not engage properly. Next, install the screw channel cover.
Bottom strip in. Set it up against the edge. Measure my width. Do a square cut. Bottom strip in. Get it started with the fingers. Tap it down. How's that gonna look? Sealant on the corners.
The installation is finished. Inspect the outside of the window to ensure the sealant are spread out and windows are fully clamped against the wall. Peel off the protective blue film on the glass. Inspect and wipe off any visible sealant.